In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable database system using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This will give you a clean space to enter the full instruction that will generate your database system. Once the chat is open, paste in a clear prompt that tells Claude to create a database system directly in your Airtable using the integration. The prompt should ask for multiple related tables with fields for names, categories, status, owners, dates, and notes. It should also request linked records, structured organization, and a setup that is fully configured and ready to use. After you send that prompt, give Claude a moment to generate the system and complete the Airtable setup through the integration. This step is where the main structure is created for you, so it is important to let the process finish before moving on. Next, open Airtable and go to your workspace. In your workspace, look for the newly created base that contains the database system Claude generated. Open that base and begin reviewing its structure carefully. Start by checking the main tables. Make sure the expected tables are present and that each one includes the fields you asked for. Look through the names, categories, status, owners, dates, and notes fields to confirm they were added correctly. Then review the relationships between tables. Open any linked record fields and confirm that the tables are properly connected. This is important because linked records help organize your data across multiple tables and make the system more useful. Once the relationships are confirmed, review the field setup in more detail. Check that status fields use the right format, categories are organized clearly, owner fields are available, and date fields are ready for scheduling or tracking. Also confirm that note fields are included anywhere you need additional information. After the structure looks correct, you can start adding data. Enter records into the appropriate tables and use the linked relationships to keep everything organized. As you continue using the base, update entries regularly and maintain the data so the system stays accurate and useful over time. This process gives you a fast way to build a structured Airtable database with help from Claude AI. Once everything is in place, you can continue organizing, editing, and expanding the system based on your workflow. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.